and welcome to Cellcrypt Shorts. My name is Simon Bransfield-Garth, and today we're going to talk about voice security and the various different places where phone calls can get intercepted. There are really three places where a phone call can get intercepted. The first one is between the mobile phone and the mobile radio tower. Then between the connection between the mobile radio tower and the mobile carrier's network. And thirdly, inside the mobile carrier's network itself. Traditionally, we've found most of the interceptions that have been reported to date have actually occurred inside the radio network itself. For instance, there was an example around the Greek Olympics where over 100 prominent politicians had their phones intercepted for several months by equipment which had been installed into the radio network of the mobile carrier. But more recently, we're beginning to see attacks actually in the air interface between the mobile phone and the radio network. In August 2009, at the Hacking at Random conference, a presentation was given in which they showed how to create the code book, the core book which enables you to be able to decrypt mobile phone conversations. And that information was put into the public domain, which leads us to suspect that in the next few months, it will become increasingly possible for criminals to be able to intercept phone calls between the mobile phone and the radio tower. The interception is done by breaking the encryption which already exists between mobile phones and the radio tower. That encryption is called A5/1 and is used in most 2G networks. In 3G networks, there is a more robust encryption solution called A5-3. The challenge, of course, is that 85% of the world still works with 2G networks, and even 3G networks in cities regularly drop down to 2G networks when they get into congestion or inside buildings or other circumstances. So, in order to be sure that your phone conversations are secure, there are various steps that you need to take in order to be protected. And in a future Cellcrypt short, we'll happily talk about those various different steps.